Have your arborvitaes started turning brown or looking unhealthy? Since these evergreens are often used as privacy screens, losing one can completely change the look of your landscape. The good news is, many arborvitae problems can be caught early, and in some cases prevented before serious damage occurs. In this video, we'll cover the 4 most common arborvitae problems we see, what causes them, and what you can do to keep your trees healthy. Hi, I'm Kevin with Oasis Turf and Tree. Arborvitaes are one of the most popular evergreen plants because they provide year-round privacy and beauty, but they're also susceptible to a handful of common problems. Let's look at the 4 biggest issues we see. Problem 1, bagworms. Bagworms are one of the most destructive pests to arborvitae. They build small bags from the tree's own needles, making them difficult to spot until they've already been feeding for weeks. Eggs hatch in late spring, and each female can produce hundreds of new larvae. If you notice only a few bags, you can remove them by hand before they hatch. Larger infestations usually require professional treatment while larvae are still active. Problem 2, scale insects. Scale insects feed by sucking sap from the branches. As they weaken the tree, you may notice yellowing foliage and a sticky substance called honeydew on the branches. Since scale populations continue growing throughout much of the season, early treatment is important before serious damage occurs. Problem 3, spider mites. Spider mites are tiny and oftentimes go unnoticed until the tree starts looking dull or bronze. You may also notice fine webbing inside the branches. Multiple treatments throughout the season often provide the best control. Problem 4, nutrient deficiencies and other stress. Not every arborvitae problem is caused by insects. Poor nutrition can cause fading color, but brown or severely yellow trees may have other issues, like drought stress, poor drainage, winter burn, or improper planting. The best way to protect your arborvitae is through regular monitoring and preventative care. If your arborvitaes are turning brown or showing signs of decline, contact Oasis Turf and Tree. We'll identify the problem and provide the best solution for keeping your landscape healthy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Catch what's bugging you on all social media platforms. The link will be in the description. Thanks again. See ya.